how to check restricted messages in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can check restricted messages on your Messenger. So let's dive right in. Open up your Messenger app and then navigate to menu on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now uh, go to your settings and then go to privacy and safety. So scroll down and here under who can reach you, tap on restricted accounts, and here you'll be able to find the restricted accounts. You just have to tap on it and it will load all of the messages with that account. So that's it. This is how you can check your restricted messages in Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.